This is not a typical bird story. This is the incredible life story of the malleefowl. Most birds build nests for their eggs, sit on them to keep them warm, and protect their chicks when they hatch. But the malleefowl follows a completely different strategy. This bird digs a large pit in the ground and fills it with layers of sand, soil, and decaying leaves. The heat from the rotting leaves and the sun together create a natural incubator. Then the female malleefowl buries her eggs deep inside this mound of soil. And the most surprising part is that after this, the parents simply walk away. No nest, no protection, no parenting. When the chicks hatch, their first challenge begins. They must dig their way up through the soil using their tiny feet and claws. By the time they reach the surface, they are completely alone. In the wild Australian landscape, danger exists everywhere. Foxes, birds of prey, and feral cats are always searching for their next meal. That is why these tiny chicks must quickly learn how to hide, move carefully, and find food on their own. The next 180 days become the toughest test of their lives. Only the strongest, fastest, and smartest chicks manage to survive. With time, they adapt to their harsh environment, enduring extreme heat, scarce water, and constant threats. This is one of nature's most fascinating survival strategies, where life begins alone, and only the strongest make it to the end.